Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji was born on Shivneri Fort. Jijabai told him stories of Ram, Krishna, Bhim and Abhimanyu. Shivaji and the children of Mavlas played hide and seek or played with ball or top. Shahaji Raje appointed teacher for Shivaji. Dadoji Kondev was his teacher. He began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and danpatta. Shivaji took oath of Swaraj in Raideshwar temple with his friends. Jijabai thought that Shivaji would complete her dream of Swaraj. Shivaji captured many forts one by one. Rajgarh is the capital of his kingdom. He appointed men of different castes and communities. Orders like not to drink, not to harass the subject, not to loot the subject, protect women, respect women were given by Shivaji to his soldiers. Really, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the great king.